Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you exactly how to refine higher time frame POI down to lower time frame. So there's this trade I caught recently on Eurusd that gave me up to 1 to 4 plus. So it was a good trade for me, so I feel like I should share this knowledge to you guys. Like before, I was trying to skip, even in my own lane, I tried to skip refining a zone, thinking that it's not complex, but when I start to learn how to refine a zone, I started enjoying it. So that's enough of the talk. Let's dive into it to see how I took this trade on the Euro USD. And if by the end of this video you find any value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button for more updates. So let's go down to H4 to see how I call this beautiful entry in Euro USD. So first and foremost, before you start refining a higher time frame POI, you have to make sure you know what the trend is saying. What do I mean by that? If you look here, you see that at this level, I marked my breakout structure, and also I spotted my level of internal liquidity that needs to be taken out. And below this internal liquidity, I have my higher time frame POI, which is this level here. You can also mark this entire zone, but as for refinement purpose, I am marking this other block. So now let's go down to 15 minutes to refine this zone. So here in 15 minutes, on 15-minute time frame, this is what we have in this level. We have this order flow sitting here, and another order flow at this level. So that is the two zone we have on this H4 zone. So now let's extend this to see where price reacted from. So this is the first one, and this is the last one. So if you look here, you will see that the market reacted at the last one. So now we can remove this one, and we can also remove the H4 box as well. So now we have this remaining box here, which is where the market reacted from. And one more thing, when refining a zone, always make sure you are marking more of order flow in 15 minutes. So let's say you are using H4 as bigger time frame and you are refining your zone in 15 minutes, mark more of the order flows in that higher time frame POI. So when you go down to 15 minutes, you should be marking more of order flows in the 15 minutes. For example, you are using H4. So what an order flow means is this: a pullback. That is just what an order flow means. So this is what just another flow here. So nothing more, nothing less. This is just another flow, which is what we refine there in the H4 time frame. So let's start. So now after we mitigate this 15-minute POI here, and which is the other flow we refine from the higher time frame, what I saw is this change of character. And also I saw after the change of character, I wanted price to take out internal liquidity, which for me now is this internal pullback here, which stands as my inducement. And after this inducement, I have to start marking my POIs. So I mark this other block that is sitting here, also in a refinement way. The red one is the last buying candle, but the one holding imbalance is the green one. So that is why I'm marking the green one. And the next other block I marked is this extreme one. So I waited for price to react at this one, but price didn't give me any reaction at this one. So I waited and the market bounced in this extreme one. So when the market returned to this extreme, I have no reason but to take my trade and target this high at the first moment. And my second target is on this H4 high. But the way I trade, I don't play with my partial profit. So I targeted this for the first time, and if the market gives me any reason to continue moving to the upside, I'm also going to be targeting the H4 high. But as you can look here, the market went straight ahead and hit my TP at this level. So that is how I refined the higher time frame zone and made a 1 to 4 plus on Euro USD recently. It was a good one for me. I'm really grateful for the trade. It gave me a lot of kind of understanding on what I need to do when when price is in my higher time frame zone, and there's no other way to refine the zone than what we just did here. So just when we see a POY in higher time frame, go down to a lower time frame and refine the zone. And like I said before, always mark more of an order flow than order block. So why I say that is, let's go back to see what we have here. So I will use horizontal line to spot this out. Let's see. And that is the order flow. And here we also have an order block with proper imbalance. Let's see if this order block is mitigated. Okay. So here is the first line, which is the order flow, and the second line, which is the order block. Looking here now, we see that the order flow is mitigated, but the order block is not mitigated, which is a proof that order flow holds price more than order block. So when you are refining, always spot out order flows, not order block. And when trading, always focus more on order flow than order block. Order block is just a refinement of another flow. So that is what it is. Remember that order block is just a refinement of another flow. It's from another flow that you get order block. What does that mean? So this is another flow here. And if you should start refining this order flow, this is the order block. And refining this order block, I refine it down to this green candle that is sitting here, which is holding imbalance. So that is how to refine higher time frame POY down to lower time frame. So that is it. I just feel like I should share this knowledge to you. I was like trying to skip it in my own learning, but when I started learning about refining the zone, I see that it's not that hard as I think it is. It's very easy. Just exactly what I've showed you in this video. So that is all for this video. If you find any value on this video, do well to smash the subscription button and like this video, and also turn on your notification button for more updates. See you guys in another one. Peace out.